If Discord is not opening on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC, don't worry, this is usually something you can fix in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step method to get Discord launching again, and I'll also show you what to check first so you don't waste time troubleshooting the wrong problem. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. First, before changing anything on your computer, go ahead and check the Discord server status. Open your browser and visit Discord status at discordstatus.com. This is important because sometimes Discord itself is having an outage, and if the servers are down, the app may not open properly or may get stuck loading. If the status page shows problems, the issue is on Discord's side, and you may just need to wait until service is restored. If the servers are working normally, the next step is to fully close Discord. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard to open Task Manager. Once Task Manager opens, look under the Processes tab and find Discord in the list. If Discord is running in the background, it may be frozen or stuck, which can prevent it from opening again. Right-click on Discord and select End Task. This force closes the app completely, which can clear a temporary glitch. After that, try opening Discord again from the Start menu or from your desktop shortcut. In many cases, that alone is enough to fix the issue. If Discord still will not open, the next step is to clear its app data. Press Windows and R on your keyboard to open the Run box. Type %appdata% and press Enter. This will open the roaming folder. Inside that folder, find the Discord folder and delete it. Don't worry, this does not delete your account. It only removes local settings and cached files that may be causing the problem. After that, press Windows and R again, then type %localappdata% and press Enter. In the LocalAppData folder, find the Discord folder and delete that one too. This helps remove any damaged files that may be stopping Discord from launching correctly. Once both folders are deleted, open Discord again from the Start menu or desktop shortcut. Discord will rebuild the missing files automatically when it starts, and this often fixes launch problems caused by corrupted cache or bad update data. If Discord opens now, great, you're all set. If it still doesn't open, the next thing I would recommend is restarting your computer and trying again after the reboot. A fresh restart can clear anything that was still holding Discord in memory. You can also make sure Windows is fully updated, because system updates sometimes affect how apps launch. So to recap, the fix is simple. Check the Discord status page, end Discord in Task Manager, reopen it, delete the Discord folders from AppData and LocalAppData, and then launch it again. These steps solve a lot of Discord not opening issues on Windows 11 and Windows 10. I hope this video helped you get Discord working again. If it did, please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials and quick fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.